Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, Steve Bauer. Yeah.
I mean, like from like.
How much?
It said like. You know,
Good?
From
Yeah, good.
Jewish
Okay.
I
Jewish
do it
immigrants,
up.
his parents were.
Now, what are you making?
Pancakes.
Oh, boy. Papa's really hungry for pancakes.
Me too.
Yeah.
Wow, look.
What if I find a pink little dot in my pancake? What does that mean?
Pink little dot.
Yeah.
Pink little dot. What if I find one in my pancake? What does that mean?
Papa.
You eat it.
You eat it?
Yeah.
Okay. We need a little melted butter, okay?
Oh,
Should I get some butter?
yeah.
Okay. How do we melt it?
Hey, what does a bunny do? Right.
How should I melt the butter?
We need a little bit of milk.
A little more milk in there?
Yeah.
I know you hate
No, I think it's
water, but
perfect.
It's great for cooking.
And more milk.
All right, a little bit. Whoa! That's perfect.
I just, I can't, I hate that he gets